Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode on how to crypto. In this video, I will show you how you can download crypto.com app on your device. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Google Play Store or App Store on your device. And on the search bar, search for crypto.com and there tap on install button to download and install the app on your device. And once your app gets installed, you will check into the next page where you will find this open button at the bottom of your screen. And there you go, you have opened up your crypto.com app on your device.
How to download crypto.com application on your iPhone. To download crypto.com app on your iPhone is super easy. Simply go and tap open your app store and then go to the search box at the top, type in crypto.com into the search box and perform your search. Once you find this crypto.com by BTC, ETH and SHIB application right here, tap on the Get button to begin the download process. Once you tap on Get, your download and installation process should begin. And that is how you should be able to download Crypto.com on iPhone. Crypto.com is a platform that allows you to buy, sell, and earn rewards in cryptocurrencies. You can use the application to access various features and services such as Crypto.com Visa Card, Crypto Earn, Crypto Pay, and much more.
How you can download crypto.com on your desktop. Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to open your Chrome browser on your PC. Let me tell you that there is no app of crypto.com for desktop, and what you can do is to add extension on your Chrome browser of crypto.com. Now for that, you have to search for crypto.com wallet extension. And from the search result, tap on the very first link crypto.com/wallet extension and there tap on this add to Chrome button and then again tap on add extension button. Now you can tap on this icon and there you will find this crypto.com wallet extension, and once you tap on it, it will open up on your screen like this. Now that's how easily you can download crypto.com wallet on your desktop. How to download crypto.com DeFi wallet. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, open up Play Store or App Store on your device and there search for crypto.com DeFi wallet. Now in order to download this app, tap on install button. And once you tap on install button, downloading will be started. And here your app has been already installing to your device. Now your app has already been downloaded and installed to your device. Now you can just tap on open button at the bottom of your screen to open up DeFi wallet. And there you go, you have opened up your crypto.com DeFi wallet. How you can sign up for crypto.com. Firstly, open up crypto app on your device and there tap on get started button. Now tap on next button and again tap on next button and there select a mode, and there if you already have your wallet registered, you can tap on this import existing wallet. Now in order to create an account, you have to tap on create new wallet option. Now here it has given a notice that you can switch between both DeFi wallet and extension modes even after you create or import a wallet. Now tap on got it button and now you have to create a password for your wallet. You can tap on this eye icon to reveal and check your password. Now if you're done with creating your password, retype your password here to confirm your password. Now once your password gets confirmed, tap on create wallet button at the bottom of your screen. Now you can give your wallet an unique name. Now once you're done with creating your name, tap on proceed button. And here it says that the key to your assets, if your recovery phrase is misplaced or stolen, it's the equivalent of losing your wallet. It's the only way to access your wallet if you forget your account password. Now tap on next button, and there again tap on next button, and there it says that do not share your recovery phrase with anyone. It can't be reset and crypto.com doesn't have access to it. Now tap on next button, and there again it says that write down your recovery phrase and keep it in a secure offline location. Do not store screenshots of it online. Now again tap on next button, and there you will be able to see phrase on your screen. Now copy this phrase and keep it safe, and then tap on proceed button. Now enter the corresponding words below. Now once you're done with typing phrase correctly, you will get the tick mark next to that word, and then tap on proceed button. Now tap on got it button. Now again you have to type in your password to unlock your wallet. Now type in your password correctly, and then tap on unlock button. And once you tap on proceed button, you will land it to its official homepage, how you can get logged into crypto.com. Now let's jump into the video. Now the first thing you need to do is to open up any web browser on your PC, and there search for crypto.com. Once you search for it, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now from here scroll a bit down, and there you will find cryptocurrencies on your screen. Now choose any of these cryptocurrencies and tap on trade button. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Now from here tap on go to exchange button, and then you will be directed to its sign up page. Now if you don't have your crypto account yet, you can type in email address, password, and follow on-screen prompts to create your crypto.com wallet. But if you already have an account, then you can tap on login button, and there you have to type in your email address and password in order to get logged into your crypto.com. Now you can tap on this eye icon to reveal and confirm your password before moving on. If in case you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget your password link. Now once you're done with typing in your account details, tap on login button to get logged into your account. And once you tap on it, you will get logged into your crypto.com account.
How to log into crypto.com on iPhone. Open up your Safari on your iPhone. Go to the address bar at the top and type in www.crypto.com and search. Once you end up in the official website of crypto.com, which looks like this, go to the hamburger menu at the upper right corner. In the next page, tap on the NFT button. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left corner from this page and tap on Sign In from the expanded menu. This will take you to the login area. Type in your email address that is associated with your account in the text box. After you're done, enter your password in the next text field. After you're done, go ahead and tap on Click to verify and sign into your account. But if you've forgotten your password during the login in process, tap on the Forgot Password link. Finally, after filling in all of the information, tap on the Sign In button, and you'll be able to log into crypto.com on your iPhone. How to change your password for crypto.com. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.crypto.com. Once you reach to the official website of crypto.com, go and click on the Sign In button in the upper right hand corner. Once you do that, go to the email text box and type in your email that is associated with your account. Now, when it asks for your password, click on Forgot Password in order to change it to a new one. Enter your email address one more time. Make sure to enter the same email address that is associated with your account, and then click on Click to Verify. Once the verification is completed, click on Reset Password. Now, a reset password email will be sent to the email address that you just typed in. Click on OK, and now open up a new tab. Go to the email inbox, and you should receive a reset link for your crypto.com account. Click on that, open the inbox, and click on Reset Password. On the next tab, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Type in the new password that you'd like to change to for your account, and then confirm the new password by typing it again in the next text box. Make sure both of your passwords matches, and once it does, click on reset password. Soon after you do that, your password will be changed to a new one. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the same password that you just changed to, and you'll be able to change your password for your crypto.com account quick and easy. How to reset your password to a new one if you've forgotten the password during the login process while logging into your crypto.com account. While signing into your account, you'll need to enter your email for your account and then type in your password. If you know both of your credentials, then you can easily log into your account. But in case you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, then simply follow a few steps. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to www.crypto.com and search. Click on the sign in button in the upper right hand corner from the official website. Now, enter your email address that is associated with your account on crypto.com. Make sure to type it in correct and then head over to the password text field. If you happen to remember your password during the process, type it in the text box and click on sign in at the bottom. But if you don't remember your password at all, click on forgot password link and then on the next page, type in your email address. Click on this click to verify button and once the verification is succeeded, click on reset password. Now a reset password email has been sent to your email. Simply go ahead and open up your email inbox. Click on OK, open up a new tab and go to your email. You'll receive an email inbox from crypto.com. Click it open and then click on the reset password link. On the next page, it will tell you what to do. Now type in the new password that you'd like to change to for your account. You can double check your new password by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner. Once you're done, head over to the next field and type in the password one more time. Make sure both of the passwords in the text boxes matches and finally click on reset password and your password will be reset successfully. Click on sign in to end up in the sign in area. Type in your email address to log into your account. And now when it asks for your password, make sure to type in the new password that you just reset to. Finally, click on click to verify and sign in. Once you do that, you'll need to go ahead and verify your email by typing in the verification code sent to your email inbox. Click it open and then copy the verification code that has been sent to you. Paste in the email verification code or type it in and click submit. And that is how you'll be able to reset your password to a new one, even if you've forgotten your password during the login in process for crypto.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.